Welcome to the tutorial on using the Unique Brain Checker application for online version. The view that you now see on the screen is the initial display when you open a Unique Brain Checker application. The application will compare your document with a million internet sources. First, as instructed by the application, click Load Document to begin online plagiarism scan. Click Open to upload the document that you want to scan for. As you can see, here are some document formats that can be used for scanning using this application. Either Adobe PDF document, Microsoft document, etc. After you select the document to scan, the text box, document title, and document keywords if journal document will be filled automatically. Check Exclude References if you don't want to scan the bibliography section. Check Exclude Credits if you don't want to scan the acknowledgement section. Check Start from Abstract if you want to scan starting from Abstract section. Please be note that these settings work well if your document is well structured. After you finish the initial settings, click Attach. You will automatically navigate to the document information section. On this display, you will see slices of sentences that extracted from your document. In the middle table you will see many rows under sentences column. If you click in any row, the application will show you text editor pop-up. You can refine the sentences if you think the extracted sentences is not well formatted. In the row of selected column, you can check or uncheck if you think the sentences should be excluded or included in scan. By default, the application will scan them all. At the right side panel, you will see some of document information including page selection and sentences selection. At the page selection, you can select the page range to scan. At the sentences selection, you can select the sentences range to scan. At the bottom of panel, you can see 3 tabs. The first is Selection, which described above. The second tab is metadata of your document, and the last is the file information. Now, click Metadata tab. You can see Document DOI field. You can insert your document DOI, if any, to fetch metadata from Crossref. In this example, we will fetch metadata using our sample DOI. DOI pasted. Now, click Try Fetch Metadata. If your DOI is recognized by Crossref, you will see the document title, the publisher name, the author name, and the general category automatically filled. Click Scan Document. Then, your document is being scanned. Please wait until the scanning complete. While we're waiting, you can see what are we doing for you by clicking Operational Logs tab. We work as transparent as possible and as good as possible. After all process complete, you can click Summaries to see the result of your scan. There are 3 sections in the summary view. At the right side, you will see the 3 view, which expose your sentences number. If you expand the 3, you will see the suspected plagiarism hierarchy. If you think the plagiarism should be excluded, you can uncheck the sentence note. While you clicking the sentence note, at the middle, there appear small document viewer automatically navigate to your selected sentence. After that, click Commit. The summary view automatically refreshed. Now, click again the sentence that you have excluded. The document view will automatically unmark the sentence by uncoloring the view. Now take a look at the bottom of document view. There your plagiarism information, including statistic. Take a look at the left circular bar. The plagiarism percentage will reduce and the excluded match field will increase. That indicating the plagiarism summary has refined. At the top menu, there are many functional buttons. For example, the print PDF will print the displayed document. The hide colors will hide all of annotation color in the document. The export PDF will save the displayed document to file, and last, the make report will generate the plagiarism final report. Now, click at the make report. You will see the screen is navigated to the report view. At the report page, you will see your document title, the final plagiarism statistic, and your document information in the first of the report page. If you think the document title is not the actual title or mistyped, you can double click at this title and enter your actual title. Now take a look document author field inside the document information section. We can double click in the field to write the real name of document author. If you want to see what the field that editable, click at the top ribbon editing fields. The report will highlight it for all editable fields. The report will include all of sentences which committed as plagiarism, so that possible to generate a long report. Unique Brain can help you to see document layout by clicking at thumbnail button in the top of ribbon. At the left side of report, you will see the document thumbnail as a layout document to print. You can count how many pages which generated. If you want to see smaller view of your report, click many page at the ribbon. Select how many pages to show at one screen. Now, scroll down your report to plagiarism results section. You can see your sentence number at the left of row, the average of plagiarism at the right of row, and the highest plagiarism percentage at the next. Now, take a look at percentage inside the purple rectangle. That is the proof of your sentence's plagiarism. We found them similar to specific URL. It's a way to use a unique brain application. To close this application, you can click the shutdown button on the left menu. Maybe that's all. Contact us for more information about our product, Unique Brain Checker.